guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is BIRCHBOX. BIRCHBOX is a monthly beauty subscription box. If you didn't know, I think it's like £12.95 a month. It's not worth it at all unless you can get a really good deal, and they do good deals on occasionally, which is what I got. I have a discount code, but it's just one that BIRCHBOX give everybody, so I think you can get a couple of quid off, but I'm not 100% sure. It's not PR, I paid for this myself. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, I've got some hiccups. Yeah, and when I say it's not worth it, I mean just because the sample's always really small compared to, if you compare it to like Glossy or Rocker or Look Fantastic. I do need to go on and check to make sure I'm not put back on the normal price, because there's 100% I would not pay £12.95 for it. It's not worth it at all. We'll see what this one's like. But yeah, this is the June box. It looks really pretty. So, express yourself. So it says, hello BIRCHBOXers, we're all unique. I just realised they've done it for Pride, haven't they? It's a Pride box. We'll see if they support Pride through the rest of the year as well. We're all unique, and that's just something worth celebrating with your June BIRCHBOX. And all year long, we want to celebrate your unique self and embrace the individuality that makes you you. This month is all about taking pride in who you are, expressing yourself and living life according to you, not to anyone else. It's all about more pride, more acceptance and more love. And I 100% agree with that sentiment, but only if they're going to do it for the rest of the year and all around the world, not just where it will benefit them. So we'll see. Okay, the first thing I've got is an Amica, and it is a Flash Instant Shine Mask. It's cruelty free. This full size one of these is 20 quid. I don't know what this one's worth, but it's not a full size. If your hair is looking a little dull and you need a fast but effective solution, look no further than the Amica Flash Instant Shine Mask. This amino acids and UV filters keep the colour bold and vibrant, your hair nourished. Did we mention it does it in 60 seconds? That sounds really nice. And it says, that's right, Amica is a friend to hair, her, him, them and you. That looks nice. Next I've got an Aqua Hero. Never heard of this brand. 99.9% naturally derived ingredients, massage onto wet skin and then rinse thoroughly. Use once or twice a week. An exfoliant. I like the packaging. This is worth £17.90. I don't know if this one or if this is a sample size. I will put it on the screen afterwards. I'll have a look. This body scrub made with Gourand salt, honey and aloe vera is a summer skin saviour made with 99% natural ingredients. It exfoliates and deeply cleanses the skin, eliminating dead skin cells for a smoother, more supple skin. Its marine scent captures the sea. That sounds nice. This salt is produced naturally and harvested by hand in France. Oh, she's blue. Come on, out you come so we can look. Okay, it just smells nice and clean. It's like a really pretty blue colour. Looks like toothpaste. That's nice. Next, I've got some Jackaback cruelty-free glow drops. I've had these before. I don't know if I've had this exact colour before. £16, this is full size. These multitasking illuminating drops can be worn underneath makeup or alone to create a radiant base. Mask the dewy look by layering highlight over products like blush to boost your glow. Let's have a look. It's sealed. Let's have a little look though and see. If I ever open anything and then it's not the right colour for me, I will then pass it on to a friend. It doesn't just sit in my drawer. I'm always giving my friends makeup and stuff, friends and family. Oh, it's pretty. It's kind of like a champagne-y. You can't really see it on my skin, but it's a really pretty shimmer. Very subtle. I would wear that probably just on its own. That's really nice. And that is in the colour Rose Pearl. Next, I've got a... these are stupid. These are like the most pointless brushes. This is a orange silicone mask applicator brush, and it's a BIRCHBOX exclusive. I'm just gonna give this to someone else because I've got like 7 of these that I do not use because they're stupid. The orange silicone face mask applicator keeps any dirt or oil and germs that may be hanging out on your hands off your face. By using the applicator, you'll prevent unwanted breakouts. I never use these, and I do a lot of face masks. Cut down on waste products and keep your hands totally mess free. Yeah. I don't see the point of them. They're just like a solid silicone they just smear, they don't spread evenly, and they're just a bit of a crappy gimmick, if I'm honest. Next I've got Sand and Sky, and this is Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. That sounds nice. Full size one of these is £56. This tube feels very, very empty. It does not feel like there is a lot in there at all. Like, you can sort of see that there's quite a lot of air by the fact that I can squish it, and that's sealed. So like you can see there is not a lot in there. Powered by Sand and Sky's unique Glowberries complex, this formulation contains an impressive concentration of antioxidants to protect 5 types of hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump, and jojoba oil to soften, and kakadu plum to tackle pigmentation and boost radiance. Buckle up, it's time to glow. It sounds nice, I'll give it a go, but yeah, you can see that there's not a lot in there. Then the last thing I've got is Grace and Stella, and this is an anti-wrinkle energizing eye mask, which I'm all for. I love, love, love these kind of eye masks. They're really nice. If you keep them in the fridge in the summer, that's really nice, because then you can put them on and it'll be really cooling on your face, and they'll help depuff even more. Like an energy drink for your under eyes, these soothing hydrating gel patches are packed with nutrient-rich minerals for a bright and youthful peepers. Their toning properties counteract blue tones of tired eyes, and their cooling anti-inflammatory counteracts the redness and puffiness. And these eye gel pads also protect against the visible effects of blue light exposure, so that's really nice. I'm really happy with those. Not the worst box in the world. Everything will get used apart from this. But no, it was a good box. I'm happy with that. And we shall see what July's like. If I'm going to get it. We'll see if I'm going to get it or not. I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to cancel the subscription. Whenever I ask you guys are always just like, cancel it, it's shit. I feel like that's one of their better ones, but yeah, we'll see. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.